Hello friends, today I am going to solve problem set 5. Example number 14. I am reading example number 14. You listen it carefully. Find the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle if point D into bracket minus 7, 6 bracket complete, E into bracket 8, 5 bracket complete and F into bracket 2, minus 2 bracket complete are the midpoint of the side of that triangles. In this example, we have to find coordinates of the centroid, and coordinates of the centroid can find by centroid formula. First, we have to find x1 plus x2 plus x3, and then you can find y1 plus y2 plus y3. First, draw the diagram. Triangle ABC. D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of BC, and F is the midpoint of AC, and C is the centroid. Let's see. Let coordinates of the centroid of the triangle be G in bracket x, y. Let A x1, y1, B x2, y2, C x3, y3 be the vertex of the given triangles. Let midpoint D in bracket minus 7, 6, E in bracket 8, 5 and F in bracket 2 minus 2 bracket complete be the midpoint of side AB, BC and AC. First find D. D is the midpoint of side AB by midpoint formula. Therefore, minus 7 is equal to x1 plus x2. Minus 7 is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. Next, therefore, x1 plus x2 is equal to minus 7 into 2. Therefore, x1 plus x2 is equal to minus 14, equation 1. Similarly, E is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, x2 plus x3 is equal to 16, equation 2. Then F is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, x1 plus x3 is equal to 4, equation 3. Adding equation 1, 2 and 3, we get x1 plus x2 plus x2 plus x3 plus x1 plus x3 is equal to minus 14 plus 16 plus 4. Next, therefore, 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 6. Therefore, 2 into bracket x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to bracket complete is equal to 6. Therefore, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 6 divided by 2. 2 transfer here. Therefore, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 3. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Equation 4. Now we have to find y1 plus y2 plus y3. Then D is the midpoint of AB by midpoint formula. Therefore, 6 is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Therefore, y1 plus y2 is equal to 6 into 2, cross multiplication. Therefore, y1 plus y2 is equal to 12, equation 5. Similarly, y2 plus y3 is equal to 10, equation 6. And y1 plus y3 is equal to minus 4, equation 7. Adding equation 5, 6 and 7 we get. Next, therefore y1 plus y2 plus y2 plus y3 plus y1 plus y3 is equal to 12 plus 10 minus 4. Therefore, 2y1 plus 2y2 plus 2y3 is equal to 18. y1 plus y1 2y1, y2 plus y2 2y2, y3 plus y3 2y3. Therefore, 2 into bracket y1 plus y2 plus y3 bracket complete is equal to 18. 2 take common. Therefore, y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 18 divided by 2. Therefore, y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 9. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Equation number 8. G in bracket x, y is the centroid of the triangle ABC by the centroid formula. X is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. use this formula and find x and y. Therefore, x is equal to 3 upon 3 because x1 plus x2 plus x3 value is equation number 4 is 3 and y is equal to 9 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 value is 9 from equation 8. Therefore, x is equal to 1, 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3, 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, answer is the coordinates points of the centroid is GR in bracket 1, 3, bracket complete. All of you understood? Next example, example number 18. I am reading example number 18. You listen it carefully. Find the type of the quadrilateral if point A in bracket -4, -2 bracket complete, B into bracket -3, -7 bracket complete, C into bracket 3, -2 bracket complete, and D into bracket 2, 3 bracket complete are joined serially. In this example, we have to find type of the quadrilateral. First, we have to find distance between 2 points by distance formula and then determine the type of quadrilateral. By distance formula, AB is equal to under root in bracket x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square by distance formula is equal to under root in bracket -3 minus in bracket -4 bracket square plus in bracket -7 minus in bracket -2 bracket square is equal to under root -3 minus into minus plus 4 bracket square plus -7 minus into minus plus 2 bracket square is equal to under root 4 minus 3 1 bracket square plus -7 plus 2 minus 5 bracket square is equal to under root 1 plus 1 square is 1 plus 5 minus 5 square is 25 is equal to under root 1 plus 25 is equal to 26. Therefore, AB is equal to under root 26, equation 1. Next, BC. BC is equal to under root in bracket x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square by distance formula. Therefore, BC is equal to under root in bracket 3 minus in bracket -3 bracket square plus in bracket -2 minus in brackets -7 bracket square. So BC is equal to under root in bracket 3 plus 3 bracket square plus in bracket -2 plus 7 bracket square is equal to under root 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 square plus 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 square is equal to under root 6 square is 36 plus 5 square is 25 is equal to under root 36 plus 25 is equal to 61. Therefore, BC is equal to under root 61, equation 2. Now find CD. CD is equal to under root in bracket x2 minus x1 bracket square plus in bracket y2 minus y1 bracket square by distance formula is equal to under root 2 minus 3 bracket square plus in bracket 3 minus in bracket -2 bracket square is equal to under root 3 minus 3 plus 2 is equal to -1 bracket square plus 3 minus into minus plus 2 bracket square is equal to under root 1 square is 1 plus 3 plus 2 5 square is equal to under root 1 plus 5 square is equal to under root 1 plus 5 square is 25 is equal to under root 26. Therefore, CD is equal to under root 26, equation 3. Now AD is equal to under root into bracket x2 minus x1 bracket square plus into bracket y2 minus y1 bracket square. Next, therefore AD is equal to under root in bracket 2 minus in bracket -4 bracket complete bracket square plus in bracket 3 minus in bracket -2 bracket square is equal to under root in bracket 2 plus minus into minus plus 4 bracket square plus 3 plus minus into minus plus 2 bracket square is equal to under root 2 plus 4 6 square plus 3 plus 2 5 square is equal to under root 36 plus 25. 6 square is 36 plus 5 square is 25 is equal to under root 36 plus 25 is equal to 61. Therefore AD is equal to under root 61 is equal to equation number 4. Next find AC. AC is equal to under root in bracket x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square by distance formula is equal to under root in bracket 3 minus in bracket minus 4 bracket square plus in bracket minus 2 minus in bracket minus 2 bracket square is equal to under root 3 plus 4 minus into minus plus 4 bracket square plus in bracket minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 bracket square is equal to under root 3 plus 4 7 square plus minus 2 plus 2 0 square is equal to under root 7 square is 49. Therefore square root of 49 is 7. Therefore AC is equal to 7. Equation 5. BD is equal to under root in bracket x2 minus x1 bracket square plus in bracket y2 minus y1 bracket square is equal to under root bracket 2 minus in bracket minus 3 bracket square plus in bracket 3 minus bracket minus 7 bracket square is equal to under root 2 plus 3 bracket square plus 3 plus 7 bracket square is equal to under root 2 plus 3 5 bracket square plus 3 plus 7 10 bracket square is equal to under root 5 square is 25 plus 10 square is equal to 100 is equal to under root 25 plus 100 is equal to 125. Therefore BD is equal to 5 root 5. Equation 6. In quadrilateral ABCD, AB is equal to CD from 1 and 3 and BC is equal to AD from 2 and 4 and AC is not equal to BD from 5 and 6. Therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore answer is point A in bracket minus 4 minus 2 bracket complete, B into bracket minus 3 minus 7 bracket complete, C into bracket 3 minus 2 bracket complete and D in bracket 2 comma 3 bracket complete from a parallelogram. All of you understood?